Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord mic cutting out. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to search and search for Discord. Then just open up your Discord. Now, your mic cutting out is a very bad thing because key things that you say in the conversation might be skipped. So to fix it, at first what you can do is just try unplugging your mic and plugging it back in again. And if that doesn't work, what you can do is just go to Discord and then just go to settings. Just go to user settings from this gear icon right here. Then just scroll down a bit and you'll see voice and video on the left hand side under app settings. Just click on that. Then from here, under voice settings, make sure input device, the proper input device is selected for you. Then make sure your input volume is set to the max, which is 100%. Then just scroll down a bit. And under input sensitivity, make sure this is set to auto. And if it's set to auto, try setting it to manual. If it's set to manual, try setting it to auto. And if it's set to auto later, you don't have to do anything. And if it's set to manual, try setting this to a low value. Like shift it to the left side so that your mic can pick up even lower volumes. And that's basically it. After that, I hope your problem should be fixed. Just close all this. And basically that is how to fix mic cutting out on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.